New Zealand goes on nationwide lockdown over one COVID-19 case. New Zealand countrywide shutdown is due to last 3 days, while in Auckland and Coromandel Peninsula the lockdown will last a week. One new COVID-19 case reported in New Zealand. New Zealand Prime Minister declares a nationwide lockdown. New Zealand stamping out the virus in very early stages. Speaking at a press conference yesterday, New Zealand's Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern has announced that Kiwis will be subject to a nationwide Level 4 lockdown from 11:59 p.m. local time, 11:59 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, following the reporting of a single new COVID-19 case in Auckland. New Zealand goes on nationwide lockdown over one COVID-19 case. According to Ardern, coronavirus case detected in Auckland is the country's first community-transmitted infection since February. It is better to start high and go down levels rather than start too low, not contain the virus and see it move quickly, the Prime Minister said, drawing on the dire consequences other countries and nearby Australia have experienced by not stamping out the virus in the very early stages. The countrywide shutdown is due to last 3 days, while in Auckland and Coromandel Peninsula the lockdown will last a week. Under Alert Level 4 restrictions, New Zealand's tightest measures, Kiwis are only able to leave their homes for pharmacies, groceries, COVID-19 testing, medical care and for exercise in the neighborhood. It is yet to be determined whether the Delta variant is responsible for New Zealand's singular COVID-19 case. The isolated incident is the country's first locally transmitted infection since February 28, breaking its 6-month run without a single community case. The Prime Minister has championed a policy of early response lockdowns and strict border closures to stop infections from seeping into the nation. Last week, Ardern announced that New Zealand will reopen its borders in early 2022 once the majority of the population is vaccinated. Since the COVID-19 outbreak in early 2020, the nation of some 5 million has weathered the pandemic relatively unscathed in comparison to other countries, having recorded just over 2,500 cases and 26 deaths.